Thank you for joining me again on Stacey Lee Beauty. If you are new here, thank you and welcome. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to see how I created this eye look, I will post that video up above and down below if you want to check that out. So first, I'm going to put on the e.l.f. Pore Putty Primer, only on one side of my face so I can see how it performs compared to having the foundation with no primer on. Seems to blend out whether you kind of pat it in or if you go in circular motions. I think the shade is pretty good for me. Don't really wear a lot of foundation. I'm just trying to, I can't remember if I said that yesterday or not, but I'm just trying to find one that will work good for me and will be good for those who don't wear a lot of foundation every day and don't want necessarily a full coverage, but really think that I need a powder, but again, I'm just going to take my powder brush and just kind of go all around just to kind of buff everything together. For lipstick, I'm going to use Flower Beauty. This is Pop Fanatic Vinyl Lip, and the color is Kapow. So here is day 2 using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I will check in with you later to see how it holds up. So I have had the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation on for about 7.5 hours. So I thought before I take it off, I would do a check-in. And actually my Rachel Leary eyeshadow is going on pretty well. But let's see, so this side had the Poreless Putty Primer. As you can see around my nose and on my nose, it looks like it has pretty much worn off. And on my chin, so no more coverage, I don't think really there. But let's get in close here. This side is without primer. So I think overall, besides my chin and nose, I don't think that it really like broke down or anything. But as far as, there's a little bit of getting into the fine lines there and on my forehead. But overall, I think that it wore pretty good. I don't think that I would really say that it's long lasting. I think that probably at hour like 5, I would have had to touch up my nose and chin if I really wanted to keep it looking fresh. But overall, I like how it wore, and I think that it was less drying than the Laura Geller, and it looked a little more natural, but it does say that you could build it up, and I definitely think the Laura Geller did last longer. And I forgot to mention the giveaway. It will be a color correcting palette, so make sure you tune in tomorrow to see which one. I hope to see you back here tomorrow for trying out foundation number 3. What will it be?